How to fix no sound on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound issue on your Android phone step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, step 1 is to check volume and silent mode. So here, just press the volume up button on your phone and make sure that your phone is not on silent or do not disturb mode. You can check media, call or notification volume separately in the settings as well. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to restart your phone. So here just press and hold the power button and tap on restart or reboot. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary software glitches. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to check Bluetooth and headphones. So here you can simply go to the settings, and here once you are inside the settings, then you can simply tap on Bluetooth and make sure that your phone isn't connected to a wireless headphones or speakers. But here, if it is connected with any devices, then you can simply disconnect and test the sound again. And also don't forget to unplug any wired headphones to make sure sound isn't being redirected. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to test with different apps. So here you can simply open different music apps and video app and play a file, because this will help you to determine if the issue is system wide or app specific. And if sound works in some apps but not others, you can try updating the problematic app. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to clear cache of audio apps. So here you can simply long press on any problematic app from where you are not getting the sound and just tap on app info. And now here, once you are inside that specific app settings, you can simply tap on clear data, and from the pop-up menu you can just tap on clear cache and confirm it, because it will help you to restart or refresh some temporary glitches if the app is having in it. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to update the software. So here, just open the settings app on your phone, and now here, once you are inside the settings, just tap on system app update, or you can just tap on about phone and check the system software update and make sure that your phone is running the latest version, as update fixes sound bugs. And with that, moving forward to the step 7, that is to factory reset. So here, this is the warning that this will erase all data, so back up your file first. So here, to do that, simply open the settings, and now here, once you are inside the settings, you simply have to tap on about phone, and after that you simply have to scroll down and tap on factory reset option. And with that, on the next page, you just have to tap on erase all data, and after reset you can test the sound again. And that's it. With that, these steps should fix no sound issue on any Android phone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.